recording, by the way. Okay, some random dude. Look at what I got you. So, I got stuff for myself, obviously. I got you the grossest things I could get in the world.
Apple juice is not that. What is this?
I don't know. And then I got you sparkling water.
Okay.
Do a taste test for us.
Yeah, it's actually not that bad.
Okay, try some of your drink.
Okay.
No, I gotta get that YouTube content. Okay, I won't show you drinking it. I'll show you. How is it?
Oh my gosh, it's the best thing. It wasn't that bad.
How?
It just tasted good.
Okay, guys, I guess we'll get these Ritz chips and the sparkling water. Also, I gotta say not sponsored, but I'm obviously not
Not
sponsored.
sponsored.
I got apple juice for myself and a Rice Krispie treat. Round 2 is coming. I will get him something gross, I promise. Part 2 coming soon. Didn't you already show that on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, go sub to some random dude. Bye.